Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Fairlady Z, or in this particular anime. This anime is Wangan Midnight. If you guys don't know about this anime, or if you actually never watched even initially, just my suggestion would be go out and watch it. You guys, if you love cars, you will surely love Wangan Midnight, and first Initial D and second would be Wangan Midnight. So uh, I mean this I started, I just left it in the second episode or third episode or so, because it starts to get interesting, and I got to know that it had only like 28 episodes or so. So when I did the prelude video of this particular for this particular week, I told I might say a little bit on the story part. So if you guys don't want spoilers, you can forward a little bit. So originally what happens was, the hero of this particular anime, he wants to get a car, but so he is at some point, he has a friend who has a friend in a junkyard. So at some point, he goes to the junkyard and sees this particular Nissan Z sitting there without the wheels, and there is a mysterious character who comes before that scene, and he that character hands over this car keys to that junkyard guy to crush it completely. So we are not knowing who that character is, but so the hero looks at this car and he immediately wants to get this car because it is in pristine condition only without the wheels. So what happens was, so when he tries to buy that car, a lot of people are saying, I mean, at some point, one of his friend gets to know that this car is actually belong to one of the most famous racer, street racer, and he actually dies in an accident in this car. So this car becomes like a cursed car in at that particular time, and so that's why it gets that name, uh, Devil Z. So what happens was, so the hero is adamant to buy this car. He saves some money and then he buys this car and restores it to his original glory, and he starts to drive. The first time itself he is getting into an accident, and second time also it happens the same. So that's till that point I watched. So it started to get interesting a little bit, like thrilling. So I stopped it. I wanted to watch it, like continuously without any interruption. So I stopped it up just for now. So this is the Fairlady Z, if you guys are wondering. So let me just open it. So again, oh my god, I just so this is the one thing I really hate about this particular dream version. I mean, this unlimited version, it is really hard to pull this out. Okay, anyway, I'm just going to keep this for myself. So I'm not going to sell or anything. So it's good. So I think I bought this for around 1,400 rupees. Okay. So honestly, I don't know why they are giving this big of a box for a small car here. I mean, it looks appealing and all, but it is not really necessary to give this big of a box, if you ask me. Maybe for the box artwork they are doing that, I guess. At least I'm happy they are giving it as a box, unlike Hot Wheels. Like a blister pack, once you remove it, you can't able to put it back, and you need to put some this nail polish thing and a remover and everything into just to get it out and put it back in, all this shit. I really don't like that. This is, I mean, at least they do this with good, I mean, beautiful graphics here and everything. This is really nice. Okay, let me put this down. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Wow. So out of the box, it looks so awesome. It looks really beautiful. I mean, so when I watched this in the anime, I thought this is just pure blue. It is a midnight blue, but it is a bit glittery. And the detailing, I mean, that looks really nice. So it has acrylic headlights here, and the rims are actually unique to this particular car. And you can see the grille details here. Let's go to the rear. Wow, that is awesome. It has acrylic tail lights as well. The bumper and everything looks really beautiful. So the body is fully metal. The chassis is plastic, and they didn't mention the scale here. So let me see. Okay, I think they didn't mention that either in the box. So this is coming somewhere around 164 only, and it has openable doors, which is really nice. and this casting is actually heavy. It is really nice, and it snaps back to its position really well. You can see the detailing here, interior detailing here, that is really nice. So again, I'm yet to watch what he does with the car in upcoming episodes. So I also don't know much apart from the start of the story, but it has great detailing to it. Man, that is absolutely gorgeous. So I actually bought like most of this cars which comes into the comes in this most famous animes, like this the Devil Z, the initial D is Torino Sprinter, and I ordered that from MFG Ghost, that was spin-off of Initial D. The AE8, sorry, not AE86, GT86, I guess, Toyota. So that also I bought. It is on the way. I hope I will be getting that maybe in coming week. I mean, maybe before this video is getting published, I might have received that one. But I got that one also, and I do have this M3 GTR from Most Wanted and Hoonigan version 2. That also I do have, and I do have one more, that Red Sun's car. I think the Mazda, I guess I do have that one, and so I'm going to do a separate video just for that, even though I unbox that. Okay, let's weigh this car now. It is heavy, maybe around 50 grams, I guess. Let's see. Okay, 46 grams. Close. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, this time don't get into an accident. Okay, that rolls smooth. Let's see, let's try one more time. Okay, it may not reach the end, but it does roll really well. It doesn't have any wheel wobble. Yeah, I don't see any wheel wobble here. Maybe a little bit on the front wheel, I guess, but not so much. I really like the sound it makes. I don't know why it is making that sound. Maybe because it's a Devil Z. Can you hear that sound, right? That is, to be very honest, that is new for me. And that is mysterious. And the color looks really beautiful. I mean, I hope you guys can see the color here. Wow, that detailing is really so awesome. Again, guys, you know, some of the guys, I mean, most of the people, they're avoiding these kind of things, and they're going for a Hot Wheels which doesn't have any acrylic headlights or tail lights or any of these things, just a block of metal. Please don't do that, guys. It is, you are, either if you are earning like me, which is a hard earned money. If your parents are earning, they are working very hard to give you that 1,000 rupees or whatever it is. So invest in something like this. I mean, you can see by yourself, right, how beautiful this casting is. So that's all I can say. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.